got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Me and Charles are gonna get ready to try out a treat together, so we're gonna be in the kitchen baking something. Stay tuned. So this was a kit that I had got from Target. It was about $6 or $7. It makes 6 servings, and it takes roughly less than 30 minutes. Some of the things that came in this kit were the dark wafers and the white melting wafers, along with the peppermint flavored candy and the molding tray. So the first step for me to do is to melt the dark chocolate wafers in a microwavable bowl. But first, let's go ahead and open it up and see everything that's inside and how it comes. Alright, so I'm trying to show you guys what came in the package. Here's our dark melting wafers. Here's our white melting wafers and our peppermint flavored candy. Here's our molding tray, and you can continue to use this over and over if you choose to. First, we're going to melt the dark melting wafers. So you can heat these up in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. If you feel like they're not smooth enough yet, put them back in for another 15 seconds and then go ahead and stir them, and they definitely should. But first, the only one that you should be microwaving is the chocolate melting wafers. So once it comes out of the microwave, just use the spatula to get all of the chocolate to spread down into the mold, and you'll want to quickly spread it because it will start to harden, but just try your best to even it out really quickly with what you have while it's in the refrigerator. 5 minutes. Once it came out of the refrigerator, after the 15 minutes, you want to take the peppermint flavored candy, mix 3/4 of that in with the white melting wafers, and then use the rest of it to sprinkle on top once you have mixed this mixture up, and then put it on top of the chocolate melting wafers. So now you can go ahead and add just a little bit of the peppermint extract. Be sure to add no more than 1/8 of a teaspoon into this mixture. Put it on top, start to spread it really quickly because the chocolate is hardened, and the white chocolate will start to harden if you don't hurry up and layer that on top as well. This is the part where you will also add those extra candies. Okay y'all, so during the 15 minutes I went ahead and got in the shower, got changed. I'm ready for bed, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this peppermint bark that we made. Okay, so we've waited 15 plus minutes and it's already popping out of the mold. So I'm gonna wait till Chuck comes around the corner to see if he will pop it out to show you guys how this really turns out. But it looks really delicious and I cannot wait to try a piece. Tip 101 from Charles is that hurry up and smooth it out. So you may go ahead and pop it out of the mold and then break it up into pieces. I decided to take it out of the mold first just to show you guys the back and the front of the mold. It turned out really smooth. One thing that I do want to do is just break it up into smaller pieces. I know that it says it makes 6, but let's just go ahead and break it up into the smaller pieces so that it can stay in the mold. And then I'm just going to put it back in the refrigerator if I'm not eating it, just so that it doesn't melt. Thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to tune in for Vlogmas Day 19 tomorrow. I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.